Last episode, we learned to recognize what you already have and put it to productive use. But there is something even more important than what you own, or even how much you earn. Two people can have the exact same income and end up in completely different financial positions, not because of luck and not because one of them is smarter. It comes down to something most of us never actually track, where the money actually goes after it comes in. Most of us watch our income closely. We know our salary, we know our paycheck, but very few of us actually follow the money after that. And that is where the real story is. Here is the simple idea for today. Money comes in, money goes out, and whatever's left is what actually shapes your financial position. In, out, left. That is it. That is the whole model for this episode. Let's see it in action. Devin and Nina both bring in exactly $3,000 a month, same income. On paper, they look financially identical. By the end of the month, $2,900 has flowed back out of Devin's account. Subscriptions, dining out, small purchases that add up. Nina's income comes in at the exact same pace, but only $2,400 flows back out of hers that same month. Same $3,000 in. Devin ends the month with $100 left. Nina ends it with $600. Now here is a case that surprises people. Elliot got a big raise this year. His income is now noticeably higher than before, but somehow he has less left over at the end of each month than he used to. His outflow grew even faster than his income did. A bigger apartment, a nicer car payment, more spent simply because more was coming in, higher income, higher outflow, and the amount left over actually shrank. Now compare that to Grace. Grace earns less than both Devin and Elliot, noticeably less. But her outflow is deliberately smaller than her income every single month. The gap between what comes in and what goes out is consistently wider. So even with a smaller income, Grace ends up with more left over month after month. Lower income, smaller outflow, a stronger result. None of this is about which choices are right or wrong. Devin, Elliot, and Grace aren't being graded on their spending. They're just three different examples of the same simple flow. Money comes in, money goes out. What is left is what actually shapes your financial position over time. So instead of only asking, how much did I make this month, ask a second question. What actually happened to it? Because income tells you what came in. Cash flow tells you what happened next. Next time, we'll go deeper into one more piece of the puzzle.